Homelessness continues to be a growing problem and aggravation for everyone in Albuquerque. A new housing development trying to tackle homelessness is taking a new approach to the problem. News 13's George Gonzalez joins us live at the new property near Mountain and Broadway with details.
Kim, while other housing developments require residents to be clean of any drug or alcohol use, this new housing development says housing first is the solution to ending homelessness.
We believe that housing is a fundamental right, and you can't really work on any other issues until you are housed. And so once you are housed, that's such a stabilizing factor, then you can begin to tackle some of the other things and other challenges in your life.
The construction of Hope Village comes through a partnership between various entities, including the City of Albuquerque, Bernalillo County, and HopeWorks, which have helped develop the state's first single-site permanent supportive housing that includes access to around-the-clock care. They also will not be doing any drug or alcohol testing of residents staying at the facility. That is different than other homeless places around town that mandate you are clean before you can stay there. Officials hope this new approach will give them the help they need to get off the streets.
Particularly for those experiencing homelessness, they need a lot of wraparound care, mental and behavioral health services around the clock, and so that's what this project represents. It's not just housing, but it's also the care that they need 24/7 whenever they need it to stay healthy and housed.
A total of 42 residents are expected to begin moving into the facility on Northwest 3rd Street before the end of the month. However, HopeWorks officials say although it is a step in the right direction, it's still not enough.
Albuquerque needs at least 5 or 6 more of these kinds of units, and so our hope is that this will be the model and that other agencies in the city, county, state can work together to build even more of these.
And officials say that the ultimate goal is for residents to get clean, healthy, and eventually find a job. If they do, then they can pay a portion of the rent, but it is not a requirement. Back to you.
Okay, thanks, George. Now, there is also no time limit on how long someone can stay at the facility. The only requirement is that they are homeless and have some sort of documented mental or behavioral health issue.